Hello, thank you for stopping by my channel. In this video I'll show you in simple step how to run a Tobit regression analysis using Stata. For the purpose of this analysis, I'm using Stata 14 precisely, and just to give a little background, Tobit regression analysis is an analysis you run when you have your dependent variable in continuous form. It's discrete, right, and it's also continuous. And let's say you want to censor the dependent variable, that is, you want to do an analysis for maybe factors that influence that dependent variable from a particular cutoff point. But the dependent variable has to be continuous in nature. So for instance, in this video now, the analysis I will be doing will show the effect of socioeconomic characteristics on diversification index. So we already have a cutoff for the analysis, and for this we have said that 0 to 0.25, they are at a level of diversification. There's low level, there's medium level 25 to 75%, 75 0.75, and 75 0.75 and above to 1, or and above to 1 is highly diversified. So just as an example, so to do that, I want to say, okay, what is the factors influencing those that are highly diversified? What make them to be highly diversified? I may also want to say, okay, what are the factors that influence those that I call intermediate diversified? What are the factors? So I want to have, let's say, have a cutoff point. The cutoff for the may be from 0.25 above or 0.50 above. So to do that, I just come to linear models and censored regression. I come to Tobit. So the dependent variable, just like I said earlier, it's diversification index, and I'm doing left censoring, and I want to start it from 0.50 just for the purpose of this analysis. There is no right censoring. Let it take from, this is the benchmark and above. So let me put household size, marital status, age, highest level of education, member of cooperative. Let me put income too. Then I will submit, or say okay, I can't submit, to see what it looks like. Then okay, okay. Oh no. Sorry, I'm supposed to specify the left censoring here. I went to put it in the wrong place. 0.50. Yeah, so I submit. So this is it. So this is the cutoff. So the left censored, we're starting from 0.50 above to say anybody that has 50% above is, let's say, highly diversified, just by way of example. So for instance, to interpret this now, I can now say, based on the result, interpreting from the t-value, because Tobit regression is just like ordinary OLS regression. It's not, it obeys ordinary least square estimation approach. It's not maximum likelihood approach. So you interpret as unit increase leads to unit increase. So you can see age here being significant based on the t-value or alpha value at 1%. We also see annual income being significant, although negative. To interpret this, I can say age, which is positive, right? and significant has a positive influence on diversification of the respondent to the survey, meaning that a unit increase in their age will lead to about 0.017 unit increase in their diversification index. That is, as they grow older, they have a tendency to engage in more income paying jobs. But the little shocker here, permit me to say, is although this is just hypothetical, the income is negative, so it means the more money they have, the less they may want to diversify, which also makes sense, because once you are doing what is giving you money, there may not be need to venture into other things. We have 525 observation in this analysis, and the log likelihood is significant, which means the chi-square is significant as well, which means that the model was well specified, and this is a regression model that can help. You may also want to note that this command prompt here, you can type this directly and it will still give you the same results. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful in helping you carry out a Tobit analysis, please do well to like and subscribe as I begin to roll out more data analytical videos that will help in your academic and business analysis. Thank you very much.